Okay, so this is the review for the test tomorrow. You were supposed to try it by yourself before you watch the video. We're going to start with problem number 1. The question is asking about the perimeter of the triangle. So think about a triangle that has these sides, 6x plus 1, 5x minus 7, and 3x minus 3. How do you find perimeter? You add up all the sides, right? So 6x plus 5x plus 3x, you add them all up. Los sumas. So 6 plus 5 plus 3. What does that give you? 14x. Okay? And then use the calculator for this one because it has negatives. You're going to add 1 plus negative 7 plus negative 3. 1 plus negative 7 plus negative 3. 1 plus negative 7 plus negative 3, enter, negative 9. So that's the answer. Number 2. Same thing, but now you're just going to follow the signs. I taught my son how to do this yesterday because his school is doing the same thing. So, you take all the ones that look alike. Let's say the 5x squared and the negative 7x squared. Well, it says plus, right? So it's going to be 5 plus negative 7. Everybody in the calculator, 5 plus negative 7. Negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared. So that's only 2 answers, right? Because I can cancel this one and I can cancel this one. Then I do the x's, the ones that have the x's. So that's this one minus this one. So 6 minus 10. Negative 4x, right? And that's still, this one has it, this one has it. So you're not done yet. And then the last one would be the 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. Make sure that you follow the signs. This one is outside the whole parentheses, so you are subtracting. 8 minus a positive 4, or 8 minus 4. Positive 4. All right, so the answer is D. Now, what's an easier way to do this? Tomorrow, if you forget, you're going to put this in decimals and put all the answers in decimals. Write this down. And see which one matches. That's all you have to do. Which one matches. So that's the easiest way, but we don't have decimals right now, so make sure that you try it. Or if you're watching this video, decimals is open, so you can try it. Press pause and try it. Problem number 3. Same thing. It's asking which expression represents the combined, that means to add, inventory of the 2 stores. So we're only adding the things that look alike. Okay, so these 2, I can add them. These 2, I can add them. And then this one's by itself. So you're going to have to use the calculator. Okay? I want you to put 5 halves plus 4 in the calculator. 5/2 goes in parentheses, 5 divided by 2, like that, plus 4. Marshall done it. Enter. Math. Enter, enter, because I want a fraction. My answers are fractions, right? So that's 13 over 2. G squared. So all of my answers have that. This one has it, this one has it, this one has it, this one has it. So then let's do the next one. 3/3 plus a negative 3/5. 3/2 plus a negative 3/5. Go. Parentheses 3/2 plus a negative 3/5. Enter. Math. Enter, enter.